Hi guys, Anas here, and today I just got this bought from eBay. Well, just got the Marshall headphones. I didn't get it like this. It was another package, but I opened that. But I didn't open that. He said it's used, but he said it's all working. It's in good condition. I don't need that knife like this. I'm really afraid because many people got scammed from eBay and Amazon. So I don't know. My first time. Let's open. See? Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Sorry for our background the sound. Okay, here we get one extra for bigger for like speakers. Okay, but it seems fine. It's the black one, just like you say. Oh. Okay. We get that. Manual. We need that. Let's put this away. Let's open this and see if it's working. Should get out. Oh, shit. Okay, I got my brother's iPad here, iPad Mini 4. And let's test it if it's work. Should be. You can already so good sound. It's KSI Lamborghini, yeah. So yeah, that was like a so good opening. I'm really happy I got those because I needed the headphones to make videos. I need to have a microphone too. Didn't test the microphone out, but yeah, seems very good condition, yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Peace. See you on the next video.